What's up, gang? It is I, Carlton Flowers, your crypto pro.
Yay!
And wow, I just had to turn on the recorder. I just got back from plowing snow. We got a snowstorm again here in the Midwest. And looking at Bitcoin sailing down. This is amazing. When I left, we were just below the 50 EMA. Headed towards the 200, then we touched it, and then I left out again, and we were just below the 200 EMA, and now we are sailing down 40,659 with negative momentum. The stochastic looking like it is ready to curl up and maybe reverse, but the MACD looking very bearish as we have a bearish crossover right there coming off of a peak. Where could this thing be headed? Well, I'm going to tell you what. I don't know. It amazes me that I only get 100 views on Bitcoin videos. People are not interested in Bitcoin, and I don't know what it is. I need to start doing individual reporting on the alts again. Maybe that's one thing about it. But Bitcoin is the big brother and determines where the market goes. So we've got a lot of red bars going on right here, a lot of negative volume, and we're falling off of this peak node at 42,000 and headed for a slip zone. We're at this baby node right now at 40,517. And if we fall off of that, big slip zone, guys, I don't think it's going to hold. The only two things that is going to hold this is this ascending baseline right there, and the fact that we're at the bottom of this previous support resistance zone. But if we fall out of that zone, you can forget it. We're going to go down to 39,000. That's target number one. Target number two is 37. Target number three is at the point of control on this screen at about 37,000. That's what we're looking at. So we need to see this curl over right away. This needs to curl up and start an up cycle. And then we need to see the MACD finish the bottom and start to come up towards the zero line. But when we look at the one-day chart, this ain't good. This is evidence that we're not going to get that full cycle back up, because look at this crossover that we just formed on the stochastic. We peaked out, we came down, we crossed over bullish, we came up, and now sharp decline. Look how close it looks like we are to the blue baseline with that big fat, nasty red candle right there. Now, we could touch down just like we did here. Fat, nasty red candle. We come on down and then we sideband. Then we blow up. We come up, a little correction, a little M formation, and then touch down here and continue going up. It's possible. But with the momentum, like I said, here it is again on the one-day chart. Look at this slip zone. Do you see that slip zone that is in between the volume node at the point of control at 41,950 and the one down here below at, there it is, 38 and change, roughly 39, and then there's the 37 right there. So what's going to happen is, if price does not hold here at the point of control, which it didn't, it fell out, we're already in the slip zone. What am I thinking on the one-day chart? So we could slide all the way down to this node right here or right here, especially with this happening, with that bearish crossover and a return to a negative direction. And look what we got on the MACD, but another crossover about to happen, coming off of this peak right here on the histogram where we were printing green bars, and then we went light green, one solid green back to light, and now we're going to cross the zero line here and start moving down. And we see that the oscillators on the MACD are ready to cross over, and then the direction will be bearish. Okay, let's look on the 1 week chart. The 1 week is looking good. And the only bad thing we see is that this blue line, the fast line, is curling down just a tiny bit. So if we had enough negative momentum, we're printing light red on the histogram here, but it could reverse and go to heavy red again, because you see it's happened before. We had a light red here, heavy red. There could be a reversal, but I don't think it'll be for long. But look at this node. There it is, 37,000 right there on the 1 week chart. And here's the 42. We're already off of that. And on the 1 week, it looks like we've already touched the line. You see the line there, the baseline? It's probably not going to hold. It's going to be funny if they take the Russia-Ukraine thing and they flip the story on us for the 5th time in a row and tell us, okay, peace, now they're going to invade. And then we see the price tank on Bitcoin. I'm going to laugh. I bet that's what those dirty rascals end up doing. All right, so that is all. DXY is kind of flat. We don't know what's going on there. And we'll just have to watch the birdie as Bitcoin is ticking down some more. Wow. We just went down below 40,500. So I'm going to leave this short update, and please let me know if you get something good out of these BTC videos. We're still in a hold pattern. We still have the yellow caution flag up. I'm cautioning people that you better be careful buying, selling, leverage, trading up or down, shorting, longing, whatever. You better watch yourself because you can get burnt in these market conditions. So that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if these are valuable to you if you watch Bitcoin, because this determines everything else in the market. People, wake up and pay attention. Thanks for watching. This is Carlton, and I'm out.